that was one of the biggest things she said, was that there's no processes. Nobody's on the same page. And it was just shortly after she left that our director put in know-how, and it was life-changing for our, careers here. There's been times where it saved me a couple hours of time just on a job, because if I get called out to an emergency, or if I don't have a supervisor here that I have a question for, before I'd be trying to play phone tag or locate the person to ask them correct way of proceeding. I don't have to do that anymore. I can just simply go into my know-how and, well, I know I can confidently do it this way because this is the process that's in place. And I've heard stories from our other technicians as well that, they get called out to emergency in the middle of the night, and, they're not too familiar with a certain water loss job, and their main area of expertise is fire restoration. So they go out to this water job because they're on call, and they need to know how to simply use a water meter, but they're not sure the whole process and how that works. They can just open up their app and go in there and follow each process. And I've heard the stories from them and how it's helped save them a lot of time in the middle of the night when they're responding to emergencies.